AI is here. It's definitely going to shake up the transportation industry. With self-driving trucks, automated warehouses, and even delivery drones, are these futuristic technologies going to be a threat to lorry drivers like us? Or are they a blessing in disguise? Let's break it down together in this video right here on my channel, Lady Trucker 128.
AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's already here. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are developing self-driving trucks that promise to revolutionize long-haul logistics. Imagine trucks that can drive 24/7 without rest breaks. However, before we get too excited, these trucks will still need drivers to monitor them. You wouldn't get on a plane without a pilot. Autopilot still needs a pilot to fly. So the self-driving system might handle the motorways, but urban roads, unpredictable weather, human error from other drivers, that's where we, the pros, still come in.
AI isn't just on the road. It's transforming storage and logistics like something out of another world. Automated warehouses like those used by Amazon use AI-driven robots to sort and move packages faster than ever before. But here's the thing, those robots still need humans to manage them, maintain them, ensuring everything runs smoothly. AI can handle the heavy lifting, but it can't replace good old-fashioned human being for problem solving. So, should lorry drivers like us be worried? The truth is, AI is changing the nature of our jobs, not eliminating them. Sure, some roles may disappear, but others are popping up. Think about technicians who maintain these self-driving systems or logistics coordinators who work with AI-powered tools. Let's not forget, AI can't replicate the human touch. Building relationships with customers, navigating unexpected situations, or even just knowing the best roadside cafe.
AI isn't just about replacing drivers, it's also about helping us drive safer. Have you noticed features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking? These systems are powered by AI and can reduce accidents. That damn emergency brake when it decides to slam its emergency brakes on for no apparent reason. It drives Dawn bonkers. Does it you? Let her know in the comments.